Hey guys, I'm back, but this time unfortunately without code and with bad news. I hate to tell you this, but my SSD broke after a Windows blue screen. I know, I'm an application engineer and I should have made a backup. But no, I'm stupid and I do not have one. There are some work in progress projects on the drive which I wanted to open source for y'all in future when they are done. But they are gone now. And so is many of my personal data too. Losing that much data feels like someone rips a part of your brain out. This happened last Friday and I still haven't processed it at all. The worst part is that you don't really know what is missing that you don't remember. So guys, please learn from my bad decisions and make sure that you always back up your important data. On Friday, I went to a data recovery service and made an analysis. The controller chip is broken and they'd have to solder it under a microscope in a clean room. This would cost me about $3,000. And I can't really afford that in my current situation. I hate to ask you this, and it makes me very uncomfortable. But if some of you are in a good financial situation and have some spare dollars to help me out to get my data back, I would really appreciate it. The first link in the description is where you could help me out, but please only consider it if you can really afford it. I hope that I can soon be back on track and work on cool stuff for you guys and make more videos again. Until then, thanks you all for everything, and sorry for asking you for help. Goodbye.